Hi, everybody. My name is Jeff Nogosek. I'm the Managing Director of DataH2O. We are the creators of a product called Avatar, which is used to help train resources and people in your organization around human engagement and communication interaction with your customer. So it uses AI to help simulate customer experience. We started this project about 3 years ago, and we approached Chilliapple because they had experience in the custom bespoke SaaS product development area and AI. We brought our unique ability to create the AI and customer simulation, and they brought their ability to put it in a user interface and make it easy to use and easy to understand and fun for the user, and gave it a great look and feel, as well as designing the logo and color schemes that went with it to create an exciting, inviting environment for the users. What impressed us the most about working with Chilliapple was their ability to understand what we were trying to do in a time when this was not a normal thing. 3 years ago, AI was still in the sort of maturing phases, and Chilliapple really sat with us and worked with us on what we wanted the product to be and where it could go, and helped create a platform that enabled us to grow and customize towards our customers, and develop solutions that we didn't even think of at the time. It left it very customizable. And the time they spent to working with us to understand what our intentions were, what our customer base were, and then tailoring a solution towards that, really gave us a personalized feel, which is what you want nowadays when working with a vendor. Not somebody who's just trying to sell you a product, but really somebody who's helping you build a product and build a company and get your product out in the market and build a reputation. And we're quite impressed with the other sites they have done for other customers. Again, the professional quality of it all was quite appealing to what we were trying to build. Again, it teaches them the human side of the conversation, how to understand the problem, how to identify what the challenge is, what the technical problem is, and then it creates random solutions that are tailored towards what the problem is around, so that the contact center employee has to figure out what the problem is. It's not always the same solution. It's not rinse and repeat. It's very much dynamic in a sense, and Chilliapple was a big part of helping to create that experience. Why do I absolutely recommend them? They've been a partner of mine for 3 years, and we've gone on this journey together, and they've been there every step of the way. And we constantly talk, we constantly adapt, we constantly change how the product works and how it attracts to different markets and customers in those markets. So very much, if you want to partner, a long-term partner, Chilliapple gives you that experience. They're not there just to sell you something and walk away. They're there to make sure you're successful in your journey. Particularly their team, Lauren, who's head of growth, has been with us every step of the way. Sophie as well, who's the managing director, helped really get the product off the ground. And then they brought in their A team, Finley as a project manager, to really help support us through our phase 2 release, as well as the website build we're doing, and the soon-to-be other products we're releasing out of DataH2O. So really excited about where we can go, as well as how we can work with Chilliapple to get us there.